Hello friends, in today's class we are going to talk about example 2 for 3 address code generation. Hi everyone, and this is the second example of this 3 address code, and I'm explaining you this translation of this statement, a logical statement, into 3 address code. So here there is an OR connective, and here we have to check whether A is less than B or C is less than D. So I'll write here with using this flow of control expression, that I'll say that if A less than B, then I'll say this statement is true, then go to, let's say, L1. And L1 is the label that will consist of, let's say, T1 is a temporary variable where value assigned to here in this case is 1. If it is not true that A is not less than B, then I will say T2 is assigned with the value 0, and then I will not allow this statement of at L1 to be executed, and I'll say go to L2. So I'll write here L2. Now look at this flow of control, that in this flow of control, when the control reaches to L2 here, then either T1 will be assigned with the value 1 or 0. So A less than B, then I will reach to this statement that T2, okay, let me call this one as T1, both the variables are same. So if A less than B, then I'll say go to L1, so this will be T1 equal to 0, and another one will be T1 equal to 1, and both will reach to this statement where I can say L2. Now here I'll again check this that if C less than D, then I'll say go to L3, and here in L3 I will say that another T2 variable assigned to the value true. If C less than D, then go to L3. Otherwise what we'll do, we assign with the value T2 equal to 0, and I will not allow this L3 or this statement to be executed over here. So I will just simply say here that go to, let's say, L4. L4, when the control will finally reach to this L4. So when the control will finally reach to this L4, T1 and T2 will be assigned their respective value. What I can say is the T3 is equal to T1, and I can say or T2. I can say this thing. Okay. So this simple statement, which is a logical connective OR and A less than B and C less than D, will be translated into 3 address code in this way. Okay. So this is the first time we have used a flow of control. Okay, flow of control, and we have to be carefully, assign the value so that whenever, like here, control reaches here, T1 will have appropriate value, either 0 or 1. When the control reaches here, T2 will have an appropriate value, whether 0 or 1. Okay, so I hope you understand this solution. Thank you.